In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use OTG on your iPad. To start, go over to the settings and under Face ID and passcode, make sure that the USB accessories option is enabled. If you don't see this option, that's okay, but if you find this under Face ID and passcode or other categories, it is important that you enable this. This will make sure that the connection will always be established and that you won't run into any interruptions midway through when using your OTG drive. So if this is enabled, you will be able to connect it using a compatible adapter. If you have an iPad with a Lightning port, you will purchase the Lightning to USB adapter. If your iPad has a USB-C port, you will purchase a USB-C to USB adapter instead. All that you have to do is plug the Lightning or USB-C end into your iPad's charging port, and then with the other end, you will be able to plug in your OTG drive. So you can plug in an SD card reader, an external storage device, a USB flash drive, or whatever it is that you have. Once it is connected through the adapter, you will be able to open the Files app on your iPad or any other file browser application that you have. Your OTG drive will be listed under Locations. You will be able to tap on it to access its contents, and now you can see all of the data inside. So if you have images and videos, you can tap on them to view them, you can zoom in, you can rotate them, edit them, and so on, and you can copy or move them over to your iPad's internal storage. So just drag and drop, or go over to More Options and then copy or move. You will be able to manage all of the contents, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. Keep in mind that the data transfer speed will depend on the adapter that you are using, the OTG drive, and the type of files being transferred, but you can always do this by connecting them through the proper adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.